Hello everyone, welcome to unboxing of Fogwing Eco Air Pollution Monitoring Device. So, let's dive right in and explore what's inside the box. This is how the packaging looks like. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. This is the Fogwing Eco APM device. You can check the model number on the backside sticker. We have two ports, the 4G LTE port and the GPS port on the top of the device. The power LED serves as an indicator of the device's power status. The data LED signifies the transmission of APM data to the Fogwing EcoCloud, providing a visual confirmation of the data transfer process. The online LED illuminates to indicate the device's online status, affirming its active connection to the network. The Alert LED, a multicolor indicator, lights up to notify users whenever any vital parameters exceed their predetermined threshold values. Next, we have a power adapter of DC 12 volts. You'll also find an 4G antenna and a GPS antenna. So, let's assemble all these parts. First, let's connect the 4G cellular antenna to the 4G cellular port. Next, let's connect the GPS antenna to the GPS port of the device. Now, let's power up the device, using the power adapter which came along with it. Voila! Your Fogwing Eco APM device is now ready to monitor the air pollution in any environment you wanted. To view and access the environmental data, visit eco.fogwing.net. You can sign in to your Fogwing Eco application with valid credentials. If you do not have credentials, please reach out to Fogwing support in order to obtain access to your account. Once signed in, you will be able to access your environmental data in the dashboard. Thank you for watching till the end. For more information, please visit fogwing.io. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.